And that, my friends, is months of hard work. You have to understand them. You have to understand your whole budgie flock family in order to get as far as I am. You want to get as far as I am? Handle them like you want them to be handled. Handle them with respect. Don't throw them around the cage at any situation, at any costs. Because then you will maybe possibly break their neck, even break their wings or their feet. Anything can possibly happen. Or you can end up killing them. Hey, defaults. Sorry, the one budgie flew off my hand. Just hold on. Hold on. Come on, girl. Like I was saying, budgies are very intelligent species of birds. You may think they may not remember anything within the next day, or maybe even few days or week or month, but you know what? You may think they may forget whatever you did or whoever you are, or whatever the situation may be. They remember everything over the years. They remember everything. Every single thing that you do to them will be in their memories forever. And you can't undo it. So you might as well, and I say you must. Pardon. You must give them a beautiful. Then you must give them a good life. Because these animals, these species of birds, they deserve to be handled with respect. If you respect them and handle them on a gentle way, and you handle them a lot in a respectful, gentle, and slow way, like now, you will earn their trust. You will earn their trust, and you will be able to do what I am doing. So, as you can see, the male whoa, okay, sorry about the flashlight. Okay. Whoa. Calm down, girl. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Come on, Alex. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's alright. It's alright. I got you. It's alright. I've got you. It's alright. It's alright, girl. It's alright. It's alright. Okay. 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 It's alright. What you do there is, if they don't want to climb onto your hand or wrist or whatever it may be, take your hand away and then you just put it again slightly against them. That's what you do. If you don't want to do it, you just try again and you try again, but with patience. These birds are highly fragile and intelligent. Come on. Come on, girl. You see, eventually they will climb back onto your hand. So what I say is just give it a chance. Give it a chance. Treat them with respect. Be patient. Don't be in a rush. Don't rush the situation. Don't ever rush the situation. Slightly be gentle. They remember their bones and everything are very fragile. They are not like us. Like us humans that aren't that fragile. Remember that. These are birds. They are not humans. They are not mammals. They are birds. Highly intelligent species of birds. They are called budgies. Sometimes even parakeets. Some of them are parakeets. But the scientific name for budgies are budgerigar. Now budgerigar is just the abbreviation, well, almost a abbreviation. You can basically say it's an abbreviation for budgie. So people don't say budgerigars. Sometimes, and most of the times, people say budgies because it's easier to pronounce. It's much more interesting. I mean, budgerigars are a much more interesting name, but budgies is a very easy name to pronounce. As you can see, this male right here is sitting on my hand. This female, come on. Don't rush it. Just be patient. You're classic. Come on. And every now and then pet them as well. But first in the trust, be very gentle when you pet them. can pet them on the head. I wouldn't recommend, if you're starting to pet a budgie, I wouldn't recommending that you begin to pet them on a